Seabird was big and backward as a 2-year-old, and Polly didn't run him at all until September. Then, after winning twice, he was very much the stable second string in the Grand Criterium. Pat Glennon chose Grey Dawn, and Seabird, with a jockey who didn't know him, was given what can politely be described as an unenterprising ride. Here he is, flying through far too late to catch Grey Dawn, but Monsieur Polly wasn't downhearted. A year later, over longer distances, a stronger, more mature Seabird was an entirely different proposition. Here's his first appearance as a 3-year-old in the 1.25-mile Prix Greffulhe at Longchamp. Pat Glennon didn't seriously need to pick him up, and for the first time, the Paris crowd saw the full majesty of that elastic stride. That was impressive enough. But the Prix Lupin has traditionally been the best signpost to French prospects in the English Derby, and now, with Epsom only weeks away, Seabird's performance had us visiting English scribblers groping for superlatives and the bookies running for cover. Cambramont, winner of the French 2,000 guineas, and Diatome, hitherto unbeaten, were both comprehensively outclassed. This time Glennon only barely had to move his hands. So the stage was gloriously set for another optimistic French foray across the Channel to Epsom.
Perhaps the best hope on our side of the Channel lies in Irish-trained Meadow Court, with Lester Piggott up. And listen to the mounting excitement. That's I Say, Parsley in the saddle. Double Nixar, fortunately foiled. Seabird again, not showing a trace of Epsom nerves. Everybody from Her Majesty towards the start. 22 will run. They're not yet under starter's orders, but soon will be.
Tony, where is he?
He's been doing it all the way down. Sunshine. Oh, no, your doors up. Pull that side up, Doug. Pull them up, Doug. The off one's off. Is it? Quarter, we're ready to get in. Don't rush in, jockey. Go on, Renee. Take a line. Steady. Got to replicate it. Steady.
Directional microphones keep you up with the sound all the way. Meadow Court and I Say are prominent, though very little importance attaches to placings at this stage. Tattenham Corner with Sunicelli, Nixar, Gulf Pearl and Meadow Court battling it out, though Seabird is well placed to make a big effort. 3 furlongs out, I Say has the lead on the rails, but watch Seabird. Pat Glennon is going to give him his head. And Seabird goes like the wind.
Come on, Bertie! Come on,
It'll be Seabird's race. Piggott brings Meadow Court up behind the French colt. By a good 2 lengths, Seabird wins the derby.
Number 22, second number 1.
Once again, a French invader has humbled the native product. He's one of the really great Derby horses Epsom has ever seen. And what a perfect combination. Seabird II and his Australian jockey. Over to France goes £65,000 and the Derby trophy.